Nation Lighthorse Police is working to equip officers with proper training needed to efficiently handle their increase in mental health calls. 2 News Oklahoma's Isabel Flores wanted to find out more about the department's new mental crisis course and how it will benefit the community.
Have a lot of information coming later today.
The police, if you have ever went through any ordeal or communicating with police during a situation, a lot of them, they only know so much.
Recent data shows Oklahoma ranks 5th in the nation for rates of mental illness, and the Muscogee Creek Nation is no stranger to it. Since the McGirt ruling in 2020, Lighthorse police say the number of mental health-related calls escalated.
Unfortunately, in law enforcement today, mental health issues are something that we deal with pretty much on a daily basis.
Here at the Lighthorse Police Department Central Hub, officers are taking part in a traditional classroom setting where they're learning things from mental health, not only for community members, but also for themselves to make sure that they're there for the community during its toughest times.
Just about everybody has a family member or a friend or somebody that they know that suffers from a mental health condition.
Officer Stephen Currens helped with structuring their first ever mental health crisis course. He says things like substance abuse and mental health tend to go together and can end poorly if not handled properly. It's why he says officers need to know how to put themselves into other people's shoes.
If we don't equip our officers with the ability to recognize, identify, and treat those issues, we're just doing a disservice to our community.
Topics from cultural diversity to substance abuse and suicide are covered in the course to help officers understand the implications of having a mental disorder. Training officer Brent Colbert says there isn't one way to treat a mental health call.
We need to treat each case individually and to make sure that, we're not just blanket covering it, saying we're going to cover every one the same.
Something like this will really open doors that hopefully people will grab a hold of, and it could really help, because you help one, you help all.
In Muscogee, Isabel Flores, 2 News, Oklahoma.
Lighthorse officers say their goal is to expand the class for other departments in the future.